Oh my God! Dude! Video can't do justice how big this thing is. Look at that. I'm Dakota. They call me Slowmotion. We made it to Rednecks with Paycheck, got camp set up. Now we're going to go down to the main mud pit and see what's happening. Dude, the vibe here is like nothing you've ever experienced. If you haven't came, you need to come. As you can see, I got demoted to the passenger seat. Exactly. Is that a fire truck? Question is, if that big sucker gets stuck, what the heck are you gonna pull it out with, dude? That is literally the heaviest rig out here. There's plenty of food vendors to choose from. Just drive around, see what you like. We stopped, got ourselves some street tacos, so nom 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 nom. Right there. That's Peterbilt, I tell you what. That thing was sweet. That right there, my friends, is a VW bus with 8 cylinders working in beautifully perfect unison. I mean, oh my God. If that's not music to your ears, you're at the wrong place. That bus, dude. I love it. You don't even need a big rig to come down to Rednecks, dude. That guy's killing it on a lawnmower, man. He's doing wheelies on a lawnmower. He just did wheelies. He doing wheelies on a lawnmower. Listen, if you got an excuse, oh, I ain't got a big 4-wheel drive to come, you don't need it, dude. That guy is having a blast on a freaking riding lawnmower, dude. So quit with the excuses and get your butt down here to Rednecks. You won't regret it. Sounds good. We're riding in a 5-ton. Look how high we are off the ground. Look at this. Holy crap, dude. This is sweet. Oh my God. That is so freaking nasty. Oh my God! Dude! Video can't do justice how big this thing is. Look at that. This is sweet. Oh my God! Look at we leaning just a wee bit. That's freaking sweet. Thank you. Thank you. I've never been in a truck this big. Ever. Never. I think we're doing the hill. Everybody thinks that pussy floating around. We couldn't ask for a better ride. Oh my God. Dude, this is unreal. We ain't done. This is freaking sweet. That was the coolest freaking thing I've ever done. The coolest thing I've ever done. Wow. Just wow. Yeah. You know, part tire, part step. Dude, thank you. That was a freaking ride. Hey, I'm a little nasty, but brother. What's your name again? Dakota. Thank you for that ride, dude. That was the highlight of our weekend though so far. And the first time I've ever been in something this freaking big. Look at that, and then look at this. I thought this thing was huge, but it ain't. Oh my gosh, look at the difference. We were way up there. That was freaking sweet. Your turn? Beaten. Dude, I'm so happy. I'm still a little scared. My heart's freaking racing. That was awesome. Make some friends. It ain't hard. It ain't hard at all, and you can have a heck of a time. Just bring a lawnmower and make friends.
If you want to, I'll pull him out and we can just follow me down there. That works.
Yeah, that's an hour. All right, they're doing the titty tug of war. Unfortunately, you can't watch it, which is another reason you need to come. I can't show it to you. You can guess why. Well, that was kind of boring. That was actually a little too easy. Can't compete with traction. Well, we made it back to camp day one and we did not break. That's a first for the Slow Motion crew. We're gonna get a little dinner. That's gonna conclude day one. I'm Dakota. They call me Slow Motion. Thanks for watching.